Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your fried rice a beautiful yellow. Achieving that appealing golden color is simpler than you might think, and it often involves just a few key ingredients. We will explore common spices that not only add a lovely hue, but also enhance the overall taste of your dish. Get ready to transform your fried rice into a visually stunning and delicious meal. Turmeric is an excellent choice for a natural yellow color. For a standard batch of fried rice, typically use about 1/2 to 1 teaspoon of ground turmeric powder. It is best to mix this spice directly into your cooked rice before you even begin stir-frying. This method ensures that the color is evenly distributed throughout every grain, giving your dish a consistent and appealing golden appearance. Another fantastic option for both color and flavor is curry powder. You can typically add 1 to 2 teaspoons, depending on your desired intensity and the amount of rice. Curry powder is a blend of many spices, so it will not only give your fried rice a lovely golden yellow color, but also introduce a complex and aromatic flavor. Stir it in while you are frying the rice to allow its flavors to bloom fully. For the best results, always start with day-old cold rice. This prevents sogginess and helps the grains separate, allowing for better color distribution. Have all your other ingredients, like vegetables and proteins, chopped and ready to go before you turn on the heat. Finally, cook your fried rice over high heat. This technique helps to achieve that desirable slightly crispy texture and ensures a quick, flavorful cook.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.